Good morning, guys. Yeah. Very good morning. Yeah. Pawan ఏంటి లింక్ సరిగా షేర్ చేయట్లేదా? Why we are facing these things? So you are getting the links on the day. Mega. Everyone is same like that? Can anyone please confirm? Am I audible to you? Guys, Navdeep, Abhishek, Ashwini, Bhumika, Bhuvana, Gaddam, Punis Sai Reddy, Gaddam Soumya, Kanur Pravalika, Kirti, Sindhuja, Rahul, Mahendra, Manasa, Faujiya, Murli, Nagarani, Suresh, Sura Venkatesh. So when you are getting the links, when you are getting the links, 8:50 a.m. Morning only. Every day morning, I get 2-3 minutes after 9 a.m. after text on WhatsApp. Okay, every day you are getting. And what they are mentioning the link, this link is valid only for today. Is that mentioning that? The link is valid for only today? Yes. Yeah. Yeah, the issue is what happened now. Our batch started before the festival, right? Our batch started before the festival. So some people are not yet enrolled. And they are saying that we will enroll after the festival. So that's why management is sharing the everyday new link. Everyday new link. So this will happen for next 2-3 days. Don't worry about that. Because due to festival season, some people will enroll later after festival. That kind of will be happen, right? So that's why. No need to worry, ma. So after 2-3 days, everything will be set. Maybe from Monday onwards, you will have only one fixed link. Fixed link will be available, and that will madam will share. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah. So first of all, happy Dasra to everyone. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Refreshed. Ready? Ready to learn data science now? No? So after Dasra, this is the strength. So still yet to come. Yeah, yet to come. You are like kids, no? Mama, I will not go to school after Dasra. One more holiday is required. 2 more holidays is required. That is. Yeah. Let's open Jupyter Notebook. Please open your Jupyter Notebook. So like I mentioned, all the announcements will be on the Google Classroom, my side. All the announcements on Google Classroom only. Okay. Make sure that you have access for that. You have access or not. Make sure that. Because yesterday some people called me in the morning. Sir, no class today. I already informed them, no, before that only. I informed on Saturday. I informed on the Google Classroom. Again, some people are calling me. Sir, you are not joined yet. Okay. I already informed, right? 2 ways I informed. We informed in the Google Classroom as well as I informed on the Saturday. So that's why I request you to this communication, miscommunication will happen in starting days. Because the only reason is, first of all, your name is not there. Your name is not there. And the second one is, you will not check the updates. You will not check the updates. That is the problem. Okay. So that's why, to avoid all these kind of things, so we'll create a WhatsApp group. We'll create a WhatsApp group. Not now, from Monday onwards. So Monday we will create two WhatsApp groups. One is offline, another one is online. That is, so there's no miscommunication at all. Anyone can reply in the WhatsApp group, right? So still, if you're not checked the Google Classroom announcements. You know, right? Dasra night is hangover and you're calling me in the morning. That is not, I am not hangover. Like, I am the people with those who are hangover. That is the problem. See here. I mentioned, and this is, I'm not mentioning the names. Those who are called me, I'm talking with them especially. Okay. Those are called me. Because of you, Naresh IT team also calling me. So people are joining, like 10 members. Yesterday, 10 members people are joined. 10 members. 10 members are joined yesterday. So that is not good, ma. That is not good, because you are not a kids. Okay. First of all, you are not a kids. You need to check your updates. Every day I'm telling this. Every day, check your Google Classroom for latest updates. For latest updates. That is, every day you need to check that is. Any latest update is there or not. Okay. And second thing is, we'll create a WhatsApp group. That is from Monday. Yeah. So how was the assignment questions? Easy or hard? Easy or hard? Have you tried or not? So only 5 questions, and today and tomorrow, right? Tomorrow is the final day, right? To submit. And that only 5 questions are there. You can do that. But let's do some small exercise, some recap exercise that are very easy. That is, yeah, just note on the question. Write a program, ask the user, enter a salary, ask the user, enter the tax amount. Tax amount, oh, sorry, let's do this DA amount. DA amount, and ask the user, enter HRA amount and calculate total pay. Okay, enter a basic salary, make this as a basic salary. So there are 3 units to enter, ma. Write a program, ask the user, enter a basic salary and DA amount and HRA amount and total pay. And total pay formula is nothing but basic salary plus DA amount plus HRA. Now do it first. Share your answer in the chat, those who are done. Write a program, ask the user, enter a basic salary, DA amount, HRA amount, calculate the total pay. Calculate the total pay. So as the user means you need to take that eval of input of, okay? Eval of input of. You need to take that one as the user means. Eval of input of. First day. Now we will do this, okay? Don't worry. We'll give time to them 2 minutes to solve and I will explain. So have you taken the previous recording videos then? Okay, then we will do one thing. After this class, take the previous classes recording videos also. She will give. And today you once go through that. And then you will get a confidence to do solve. Okay? No problem for that. Done everyone? Easy? Where are the answers in the chat? The easy question. So what is step 1 here? Look at the board, those who are new. Step 1, you need to enter the basic salary. What do you need to do? Enter the basic salary. So basic salary is a variable. Basic salary is a variable. How can you enter? You need to enter from the user, right? User means you need to take from keyboard. Not you should not enter directly like a 50,000 like this. You need to enter from keyboard. How can you take from keyboard? Eval of input of, then enter a basic salary. Enter basic salary. Then what will come? If I run this, what will come? A box will open. What will come? A box will open and this box will run till you enter some value. Correct? How can you know this? There's a star mark you are seeing, right? Star mark. That means the cell is still running. The cell is still running. And not only that, there is a black mark you are seeing, right? Kernel. Which means also is what meaning of this? Kernel is busy. What is the meaning of that? Kernel is busy. So you need to enter the value here. You need to enter the value inside the box. Suppose 50,000. What you are entered? 50,000. The 50,000 is will save in which variable now? Basic salary. So enter that and there is a button enter keyword is there now. Enter that. Press that. That's it. Now if you want to print basic salary, what is the answer here? 50,000. Now do the same way. What is the next one? DA amount. DA equal to again eval of input of enter DA amount. Enter DA amount. And one more thing is what? One more thing is HRA. HRA equal to eval of input of enter HRA amount. These three are variables. What is these three are? Variables. One is basic salary. And next one is what? DA amount. Next one is what? HRA amount. Next one is what? HRA amount. Now let's calculate the total pay. Total pay equal to basic salary plus DA plus HRA. And next what you need to do? Print the total salary is total pay. Total salary is total pay. Now when I run this, first step what will come? Enter a basic salary, the first step. I entered 50,000. Okay. Next DA amount. DA amount is I am entering 20,000. And then HRA amount is 10,000. So what is the total payment you are getting now? 50,000 plus 20,000 plus 10,000. The answer is 80,000. The answer is 80,000. Got it? Yeah, note down this. Come here. Bring your laptop. That is your wish. How you want to write your basic salary mega, that is your wish. Okay? You can do anywhere, right? Print statements. So it is not installed. That is Windows. Internet is required. Then what you need to do is you have access of Google Classroom. Google Classroom access. No.
Actually, this is our first day.
So
I'm not in a single demo. If it comes first attend to today's class, then pay the fee. Then I will give you the links of the rest of the class.
Okay. You do one thing. You will install today Anaconda. Okay. You connect with the internet. Connect with internet.
So bring the phone.
Yeah. So next question. Everyone is good, right? Still anyone is not good? Any confusions? No. This is very, very basic. Very, very basic. Can you hold this once? So meanwhile, I will give another question. Write a program. Ask the user enter salary. Okay. And ask the user tax percentage. Calculate how much tax user need to pay. Look at the board. Okay, look at the board, ma. Everyone, please look at the screen. Suppose think like that you are an employee. Your salary is 1 lakh. How much your salary? 1 lakh. So 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh. Suppose government is saying you need to pay 10% salary. How much percent salary you need to pay? 10%. How much percent of? 10%. So how much tax you need to pay? Tell me how much tax you need to pay? On 1 lakh 10% salary means how much tax you need to pay? 10,000. Correct? You know how to calculate? 1 lakh is your value into 10 by 100. This is your calculation. So what you need to do, ma? You need to take salary is one variable, okay? And tax percentage is another variable. And you need to calculate it, this mathematics. Understood? Now do it, everyone. Everyone do it.
Classes, sir, because I'm not able to understand the other classes, sir.
That only. No, I will take care of special care. Don't worry. Open Anaconda. Take a new tab. Anaconda download. Anaconda download. आ गया. Pre-download. And get additional installer. Windows. Will download. You need to it will come as downloads. Downloading. It will take some time. Then yeah, 3, 4, I think. No problem. We'll take care of. Acha, no problem. Take care of. And same you need to repeat in his laptop also. Okay. Anurag, this is the first class of today. Anurag, is the first class, ma? No? Then tell me the answer. What will happen? Can anyone tell this answer in the chat? Tell me, what if you use, instead of eval, if you use int, what will happen? Tell me. The Anurag question is, think like it's an interview question. Instead of eval, if you use int, what will happen? Huh? String can be do, but which format string? Int format string or float format string? That is the question, right? Okay, that is the question. Now, if you apply that int of 100.5, okay, and second one is what? Float of 100.5. Which will work? Which will not work? First one will not work. First one will not work. That is the answer. Correct? Yes, very good. Yes, yes, yes. Anurag, understood? Yeah, that you need to say. You already attended previous classes, right, Anurag? This we discuss. 20 minutes we spend on time on this. Okay. Now you will get error. You will get error. Wait some time. You can take your chair and you can sit here. 100.5. See, it is getting error. But you apply the same thing on top of that eval, what will happen? Eval, what will happen? That is eval of input of. Suppose if you take that float will works. Float will, eval will take automatic data type. If you provide integer will work. If you provide float value will works. No need to take care of whether I am providing integer, I am providing float. You no need to worry about that. No need to worry about that. Great. Done this answer? Where are the answers in the chat? So Srishti has said the tax percentage. That is correct, ma. Okay, Srishti has done. What about others? Abhishek is done. Very good. So next. So now first one is called eval of input of enter your salary. And second one is what? Tax percentage. This is are the inputs. These are the what? Inputs. And salary into tax percentage. You need to provide the brackets, ma. Otherwise it will not take. You know, right? Board mass. Do you know? RS Agarwal. That is BOD, board mass. Bracket of division, addition, multiplication, subtraction, the order should be there. If you what happen, if you give what happen, first it will calculate this one and again it will multiply for this. So that's why this also will work, but if you keep brackets, that is good. If you put brackets, that is good. Now salary is equal to 1 lakh and tax percentage 10. Don't give percentage. Don't give percentage, give only number. Give only number 10. Then answer is what? 10,000. Answer is a 10,000. Very good. Very good. How many are done? Raise your hands. What about others? Any difficulties? This is the right time you need to talk with me, ma. Otherwise, your class is progress, right? Because this is we already the recap session, right? That is before holidays, now holidays again. If you have any difficulties, please talk with me. Okay. This is the best chance. This is the best chance, and tomorrow you have a deadline for assignment. So next question. Yeah, next question. Write a program. Ask the user ask the user get a value from get a value between 1 and 100 and perform the square of the number. Perform the square of the number. Done. Double click it, it will open. When you double click it, right, the file will open. It will try to run. So write the program as the user get a, you can mention random value. Random value between 1 and 100. What is the package unit use? What is the package unit use? Random package. In that random package, what is the method? Rand int. Do it. Very good. We need to use a package here. Package name is called random. And method name is called rand int. Click on next. Agree. Next. Install. That's it. Take some time. Write a program, ask the user get a random value between 1 and 100. Again, I'm telling if you are not understand, if you are not able to do, come here. Okay, I'm here in front of you only. Okay, but don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. Don't be shy. Everyone is equally here. Everyone is equally here. Everyone is learning data science. Don't be shy, ma. When the user entering the number, why to use rand int? Because my question is, I want to take a random value between 1 and 100. That is my question, ma. I didn't ask enter some number. Sabita. Yeah, understood the question, ma. Anurag and Sabita. What is my question? Write a program, ask the user, get a random value between 1 and 100. Understood my question? I ask you to get the random value. Srishti. I ask you to get the random value. Random value you will get from random package only. If you do, what happen? Eval of input of enter a number. I know, right, what number I am providing. How can it be random? I know, right? I am entering 50 means I know already 50 is the number. Random means what happen? You need to get a random number between 1 to 100 means I don't know which number is coming. The Python code will give automatic the number. Who will help for that? Random package will help. Random package will help. Write a program as the user get a random number. So here what you need to do? Import random and then random dot rand int of 1 comma 100. Use this. First what is coming? 81. Next what is coming? 22. Next what is coming? 61. Try it. Save this into some variable and square it. Simple. Save into some variable and square it. That's it. Anurag is correct. If you are not able to do, come here, show me. Okay, but don't sit idle. I'm requesting you. If you sit idle, you will not learn. Okay, if you sit idle, you will not learn. If you get the answer, then only leave the class. Otherwise, come here and show me why you are getting error. Don't be shy. Don't look at about others. You doesn't know him when you are enrolled in the class. Okay. And you doesn't know him or she, you doesn't know her after the class also. Okay, they will not pay your money. Only your family members, your father will pay your money. Okay, and I am the only help here. Come here and show me if you're not able to get. Yes, that is correct. I need more answers. This is very easy question. Sahiti, Naveen, you raise your hands. Tell me any issue. Paste your answers in the chat. It's a very, very simple question. And Puni Sai Reddy, yes, that is correct. Mega, this is, I am asking you to enter random number. Okay, why Numpy is coming? Okay, want to do Numpy square also. Okay. So you are using two packages, random and random. Yeah, just share or copy paste the code. I can understand, Sabita. How many are done here? Raise your hands. What about others? What happened, ma? What is the problem? Come here, bring your laptops. Show me. Those who are not done, come here and show me what is the problem. This session is completely only for you, ma, to clarify your doubts. If I am telling this much thing, what ma?
ఇలా కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు
అది కరెక్టే కదా ఎందుకు నీకు డౌట్ వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు ఇదే కదా నేను అడిగింది కూడా ర్యాండమ్ నుంచి ఒక నెంబర్ రావాలి ఆటోమేటిక్గా వస్తుంది నువ్వు ఏ నెంబర్ అది రాయాలంటే మాత్రం ఇలా రాసుకోవాలి అప్పుడు ఎలా ద స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ ఓకే మ్యాటర్ అప్పుడు నీకు తెలుస్తుంది కదా దేని స్క్వేర్ అనేది ఇది డైరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ కానీ దేని స్క్వేర్ అని నాకు తెలుస్తుంది ద స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ ఈజ్ ఇలా రాసినాం అనుకో ఓకేనా అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ డాట్ ఆఫ్ ఫార్మాట్ ఈ బ్రాకెట్లో ఏమొస్తుంది ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లో ఎన్ కామన్ నెక్స్ట్ ఏమొస్తుంది స్క్వేర్ అంతే అది రెడ్ కలర్లో పెట్టేసి కమ్ షో మీ why it is not coming, why is coming, show me. Invalid syntax now. First of all, it is import, not it is import. IM. It is IM. Okay. And then ఇప్పుడు ఇది అవసరం లేదు కదమ్మా you don't know that. Okay, you don't know this, you don't want this, so random will give. Now if you apply print val, if you apply print val 1, what is coming? 68. Simply next what you need to do, square equal to val 1 into that's it. That's the answer. Now you need to save this value, no? This is 90 is coming, right? So 90 you need to save in one variable. You write the one variable. Suppose number. That what? Number. So this value now save into number. What is the number now? 84. Now what is the number? 47. Now 47 into 47. That means number into number. Next. Directly it is taking 21 number. That's it. Here you are taking, what is the problem is, you are entering the value here, 7. So 7 is taking here. So it is not actually random, it is. So you no need to take. Whenever you want to take random input, don't take input. Here it is all the question. User to take the number, but user to take the random number here. So what you need to do directly? Here is from the computer only. User means here 1, 100 you can put. Random. That's it. What you're thinking is correct only, but directly only give like this. It will come. Square not defined. ఇక్కడ చూడమ్మా నెంబర్ ఎంత ఉంది ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంది ఈ మధ్యలో 5 ఎగిరిపోయినాయి ఇక్కడ ఆర్డర్లో లేవు సో అందుకే నీకు వస్తలేదు సో ఇది దీని ఫస్ట్ దీన్ని రన్ చేయి ఎంత అయింది 20 తర్వాత దీన్ని రన్ చేయి ఆ మధ్యలో ఎగిరిపోయి కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయిపోయావు అన్నమాట ఆర్డర్లో ఉండాలి కదా అలా నీ కోడ్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు అలా చెక్ చేయి ఇన్పుట్స్ డన్ then go to search bar and open Jupyter notebook. Just type Jupyter notebook and just double click it. Don't close this. Automatically a page will open. A page will open like this. Don't close this and a page will open here. Again I'm telling, okay? Close everything. Close this. Go to search bar. Type Jupyter notebook. It will come. Just double click. A pop-up box will come. Don't touch that. Again a new page will open like this. Go to new Python 3.
I think this one we have to save it on this.
Automatically it will save. You can change your name here, that you can follow the recording videos previous one, you will understand this. Now you just type the code and run it. Suppose a is equal to 20. Run like this. Then a 20 or b is equal to 30.
This one.
B. Shift enter. Now you can explain to him. Shift enter you do. Shortcut. Now just note down the codes. Yeah. Yeah. Still anyone not getting ma? So Navyasri is getting this error. What is the error is coming is. Now everyone look at the screen ma. Everyone look at the screen. First of all, tell me what is this meaning of error. Tell me in the English, everyone. Everyone look at the screen. I said everyone look at the screen and tell me what is the meaning of this. Name salary is not defined. What is the meaning of that? Tell me. Salary is not there, but you are trying to use that name, correct? Okay. Your kid name is not Omkar, but you are trying to call come Omkar means how can he come? He will not come, right? But you initialize capital salary. What you initialize? Capital salary, and you are talking what? Small salary. This is a very, very common error. Again, I'm repeating, very, very common error. People will do this. Okay, whenever I am telling many times, normal English meaning. What is the normal English meaning? Name salary is not defined means spell exactly, check the spelling. Check the spelling exactly. A small s is there. What is there here? Capital S. That's why it is not understanding. Understood? It is not defined means a salary name is not there before. Very, very simple. Understood, ma? Navya. And next. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. Don't try to ask the user, ma. Ask the user means that only actually, I think you are confusing. Okay, don't worry about that. And the answer is simply don't take in the input side. Take this number and directly print the square of number is dot format number comma number into number. If you want to save this in another variable also you can save, that is the square number square equal to number into number into number, that is called square. Now just run it, you will get the answer. The square of 5 is 25. The square of 39 is 1521. Easy? No doubts? Everyone is done? And this is again, I'm repeating, this is the last chance. If you have any trouble, any doubts, come to me. I will help you. Okay, this class is completely dedicated to you only to clarify your doubts. Okay. No trainer will support like this. They will finish only the syllabus their concentration is. But I can go more 10 days also fine. If you want to come Sunday also I will come. But the only the thing is starting first month is Python is very, very important. Python is very, very important. Even a small doubt also you need to clarify that. Why that error is coming? Why that error is coming? Yeah, next question. Yeah, Murli. Very simple, ma. You are taking which number here? The same code, you can take like this also. The same code. So now I'm removing this. Okay, I'm removing this, I'm removing this. We can directly make 100 here. So 100 is saved in which variable? Number. What is the meaning of step 1 here? 100 is saved in a variable number. Correct? Then second step, what you are doing? 100 into 100. So that is what? 10,000. Then the answer is 100 into 100 is what? 10,000. Now the same code, the same code you can take from the user also like this, right? Eval of input of enter a number. Understood, ma? There is LHS is there, there is RHS is there. RHS value saving in LHS. Correct? That you provided normal 100 also it will save. If you do like this also, whatever you are providing at this position, and that will save in which variable? Number only. Okay, don't confuse that. Then again I'm running here, what is coming? 200. Now 200 is saved in which variable? Number only. But only the difference is what? Here we are providing directly. Here we are taking from keyboard. Here we are taking from keyboard. And then 200 into 200 is 40,000. Now the same code. I want to take from randomly. That's why which package I'm using? Random import random. Now I'm removing this random dot rand int of 1, 100. What is this meaning? The computer will generate a random number between what? Between between 1 to 100, and that will save in which variable? That will save in number variable. That is the only difference. Every code is similar. First one is you entered manually. Second one is you taken from keyboard. Third one, what happened? Computer will be providing the random number. Every time you are saving in which variable? Number only. So the LHS, RHS, the difference you need to understand. LHS, RHS. So here you are taking 100 directly. And here you are taking from the keyboard, user input. And here you are generating from randomly. Just you can mask it, and one more layer you can think like there is a 300 is there. How the 300 is coming? Like from random only. Random dot rand int. Some value is generating from 1 comma 400 means some value is generating, and that value saving in a number variable. All are same. All are same. Yeah. Clear, right? Let's do. Yeah, this you will learn only in statistics. Okay. So practical use cases will not implement ma. Okay. Practical use cases will implement once you know the Python completely only. Okay. This you will learn statistics. Random dot rand int, all the random normal everything will come in where? Statistics only. Without complete the programming language, I can't teach the practical, right? Some people are not understanding the 3 steps also. If I teach practical, half of the people will gone. And they will not enroll my class also next session. Okay. So you give some patience. Wait some more time. Everything will come to you in front of you. Just learn what I am teaching in the class. Okay. For the 20 days, just learn what I am teaching the class. Just avoid the errors. Just avoid the error. And I will teach everything, that is practical use cases and everything. And can we strictly accept 2-digit number? From the user. You can take the anything from the input. So once you saved in a number, from there also you can take the 2 digits. Okay. Directly we can't possible, ma. Directly it is not possible. Directly it is not possible. So the question is asking, sir, I am providing 2222 like this. Only starting 2 digits only will come or not? Okay. Or if I enter 2 to one more 2, it will stop or not? So that kind of question is asking, only 2 digit. So directly it is not possible, ma. Okay, directly it is not possible. No, that he's asking a generalized question, Mega. He's asking a generalized question from the input. Understood? He's not asking random question, random number. He's asking a general question. Sir, if I provide eval of input of, the box will open, right? If I enter 222 like this, only first 22 will come or not? Can we do that is possible or not? Or if I enter one more 3, the 3 should not enter. Only 2 digits only will allowed. That is possible or not is asking the question. Okay, that is not possible. That is not possible. But after you enter, you can do anything. After you enter a big number, how many digits you want, you can get that. That's a different scenario. That's a different scenario. Yeah. Bhairavi, what is the attribute error, ma? Tell me, what is the attribute error? You can't restrict the input command. That only I am saying. You can't restrict the input command. Okay. You can't restrict this to enter only 22. You can enter anything. Okay. You can enter anything. You can't restrict this. You can't restrict that. So next. Yeah, I think we are good. Next question. Write a program. Write a program. Ask the user enter enter a distance. Enter a distance and ask the user enter a rate per distance. Rate per distance. Write a program, ask the user enter a distance and ask the user enter a rate per distance and calculate total charge. Calculate total charge. Do it. I need at least 20 answers. Correct answers. Write a program, ask the user enter a distance. Ask the user enter a rate per distance and calculate the total charge. Calculate the total charge. I request you to kindly clarify your doubts. If you are getting any error, please ask me. This is completely to avoid the error. To avoid the error in your code part. If you are getting any error, minute error also, please ask me. Write a program, ask the user enter a distance. Ask the user enter per day distance. Suppose your distance is nothing. Suppose you want to go for 20 kilometers. And the distance for every kilometer is 2 rupees. 2 rupees per, like 2 rupees. Rate per distance. Or rate per kilometer. Okay, you can make a rate per kilometer also. 2 rupees. Then what is the total charge? 20 into 2. That is equal 40 rupees is the answer. Like that. Rate per kilometer. That's it, Sabita. Very good. I need more answers in the chat. This is very easy question. Very easy question. Puneet is correct. Srishti is correct. User input and rate per distance. Okay, that is correct. You can modify the names also. Done. Easy. If you are getting any error, name error, attribute error, syntax error, any error, ask me. Any error, ask me. And this is a very to clarify your errors, all the errors. Enter a distance, enter a rate per distance. Why you are using Numpy? You already know Python Mega? You already know Python? Then why you are using? You are copying from somewhere? Then how do you know about Numpy then? So you are using that package? You are exploring that package? Yes, great. Very good. Very good. Automatically run. What is running automatically, Padmaja? You need to provide your code. Show me your code. Copy paste your code. Anudeep is correct. Nagaran is done. Show me your code. Step 1. Distance. Distance equal to what? Eval of input of enter the distance. Enter distance. Okay. And then rate. Rate equal to eval of input of enter rate per kilometer, or enter distance in kilometer also you can write. That you can write anyway, okay? That is in red color, whatever you write, that will come. That is your idea. That is your thought process. I want to enter distance in kilometers, enter rate in kilometer, then charge equal to distance into rate, then print, okay, per kilometer is the charge is any way you can write, ma, any way you can write, okay? That is your wish. Format of distance and comma charge. So 20 and 3 rupees. For 20 kilometers, the charge is 60 rupees. The charge is 60 rupees. Anything you can write. 60 rupees. 103, that is equal to 300 rupees. So you are good, everyone. Everyone is good. Yes. Can you please confirm the chat? You are good, right? Easy. The basic Python codes are easy, right? So let's do one more question. We'll create some story, okay? We'll create some story. The story is like this. The story is like this. Ask the user enter total bill in dollars. Okay. Ask the user enter total bill in dollars. Okay. Then you create a story like this. Then manager is saying, so your print statement should be like this. Manager is saying like that, the dollars are not accepted. Okay, like this will come. The print statement. Again, one more print statement you need to write. User. Then what will accepted? What will accepted? Then manager. Then what happened? Manager. Only Indian rupees. Only Indian rupees. Then again, ask the user enter $1 equal how much? $1 is equal to how many rupees? And again, so you'll enter 80 rupees. Suppose you are entered here $100. This is a print statement only. Okay, listen carefully. This is you are taking from the keyboard, ma. Okay, total bill in dollars. What is the dollar? How many? $100. Next, manager will say. What he will say? The dollars are not accepted. Next, user will say. What will accepted? Next, manager. Only Indian rupees. Again, you are asking keyboard. Enter $1 equal to how many rupees? And it will say that suppose 80 rupees. What it will say? 80 rupees. Then you are taking the total bill. Now total bill equal to, you will calculate 100 into 80, that is equal to 8,000 rupees. And finally, manager will say, thank you. Manager will say, thank you. Now, write this story. Do this kind of story. Here everything is a print statement only. Only you need to take first statement and this statement only from the user. Understood question, everyone? We are simply creating a story between three letters, that's all. Total bill in dollars 100 and $1 equal to 80 rupees. Total bill is equal to 8,000 rupees. Conversion only we are doing. Conversion only we are doing. We are doing just conversion story, ma. That's all. As the user enter total bill in dollars, that is called $100. Like suppose like this, bill equal to eval of input of enter total bill in dollars. And then what happened? Again, you're asking conversion rate. Okay. Conversion rate. Conversion rate equal to eval of input of Indian. How much $1 is equal to? $1 equal to and then total amount. This is only just I'm doing conversion, ma. That's all. Bill into conversion rate. Now print of total amount. $100, 80 rupees, 8,000 rupees. Only this is the code, ma. This is the code, but we are creating a story around that. We are creating a story. Understood the code? We are just taking the dollars. We are just taking the conversion rate and we are just converting into Indian rupees. We are just converting into Indian rupees and we are creating a just story around that. In this story, I need this code also. In this story, I need this kind of code. Correct? Understood the question? Now do it, everyone. Sabita is saying that IT you need to take from the user, ma. Sabita. IT you need to take from user. Understood, Sabita? The IT also you need to take from user. Enter total bill. Manager is saying that. Manager only Indian rupees. That's it, I think. Gaddam Punisai is done. $100. Then manager, the dollars are not accepted. What will accepted? All Indian rupees. Enter a dollar in is equal to 80. That's it. See, just created a story. Just create a story. Okay, go step by step. Go step by step and create a story. Very easy question. Done? Done? Very good. Sabita is done. So enter the dollar in rupees. Many say in dollars are not accepted. User will say that which currency will accepted? Only Indian rupees. May I know $1 equal to how many rupees? That's it. See how beautifully she is written. $100. Then manager will say that dollars are not accepted. Which currency will accepted? Indian rupees. And that is called 80 rupees. 8,000. Enter total bill. Enter total bill. What I am writing? Again $100. This is I think no need again. This is not required. This is not required. 100, 80 for your bill of $100. You need to write like this also, dollars here. $100 you need to pay rupees. Now you see 100, 80. Now for your bill of $100 you need to pay 8,000 rupees. So create the story. Try to write the story. Okay. It's only print statements only, right? Only print statements. And Nikita, try to write the story, ma. It's very easy. If you're not able to do, ask me how to write. I will explain that. So enter the bill. Can accept the bill in dollars. Can't accept. How much the $1 rupees? $1 value in rupees. Conversion. That's it. So 100, 80, 8,000. The story is created. And Nagarani. Oh, it's going like this. Lying with me. Do it, ma. Do it. Do it. It's very easy. Very easy. $100, 80. And then you're getting error. Tell me, Ma Srishti, what you are getting error? Anudeep, enter a $1 billion 500. Manage dollars are not accepted. What will accepted? Indian rupees. $1 is how many rupees? Equal. That is good, Anudeep. Navadeep, please enter your total $1 billion. Okay, he'll enter. Dollars are not accepted. Reply. Then user will ask what will reply. Conversion rate only Indian rupees. Amount, that is correct. Manager, what is the error you are getting? Int object is not callable. What is the int object not callable? Because you have done something wrong. Kernel is busy. Go to here. Restart, clear out. You need to click this. Now wait some time till the button gone. I think it's gone everything. Now run it. 100. then enter AIT. That's create a story. Okay. If you are getting error, please ask me, ma. Create a story. Now let's see what is the error is there. First one is 100 and 80. Coming now? Coming, ma. Srishti, your code. I'm not seeing any problem in that. Close and open your notebook. Okay, sometimes Python will do magical things. Can't accept it. Reply yes. Close and open the notebook, ma. How many are done? Story created. It is very easy, right? Agay maja. You can do anything. You can do anything kind of like this. Okay. Let's see. Now let's see here. Look at the board. Look at here. Now there's a time package name is called time package. What's the package, ma? Time. Import time. What's the package? Import time. So in order to, if you want to delay some sentences, the steps in some time. Okay, you want to sleep that time. Sleep. So now look at the here. Import time. After the sentence, I want to do time dot sleep. What I will do? Time dot sleep. Suppose 2 seconds or 3 seconds. After this sentence, it will not come immediately. After 3 seconds only, this sentence will come. Understood? Now let's see here. Let's see here. When I enter 100, what happened? Immediately, dollars are not accepted. The story is coming, right? Immediately, what the story is coming immediately. Now, if you want to delay that story, you need to use time dot sleep. What you need to do? Time dot sleep. Let's see how it will come. Time dot sleep. Now I'm putting here time dot sleep. So 10 seconds I'm giving. Okay, I'm giving 100. Then see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Will come now. See, I am fast. It's not. It's yeah. It's came after 10 seconds. Now, like that, instead of 10 seconds, give 3 seconds. Because you need to talk with your manager and user, right? It will take some time, right? So 2 seconds. Time dot sleep 2 seconds. And then time dot sleep 2 seconds. And again time dot sleep 2 seconds. Again time dot sleep 2 seconds. So every sentence now after 2 seconds only it will print. Every sentence now after 2 seconds only it will print. Yes, ma'am. Why it is coming late? Like that. Everything is coming only after 2 seconds. Time dot sleep. Understood time dot sleep? How can the user enter string? Which string, ma? Any string? Now you tell me, you attended the previous classes, right? You attended the previous classes, right, ma? Mega? When you want to use eval, when you want to use input, tell me. Can anyone reply this? Mega is asking, she wants to enter the string from the keyboard only. What she need to avoid? What need to avoid? You know, right? Then if you want a response, then why you want eval and why you want str? Simply input is enough, right? Simply input is enough. This is not required. Eval is not required. Only input is enough. Only input is enough. Understood, ma? So instead of print, we can apply the only input is enough. Input is enough. So here manager will say that like this. Manager response 1. And this is a user response. Look at the board, ma. Look at the board. Look at the board. Instead of print, what happened? Instead of print, what happened? You can do the like this. Now see here, everyone. User response. User response. You can write like this. And here what happened? Manager response. You can write anything that is. Look at the board. Now let's see here. I'm not running this. Now what happened now? Tell me. First one is what? $100. Next what will come? Manager response will come like this. Till you enter. Till you enter it will come. Now what is the manager response? Dollars are not accepted. We are done using print. Now we are taking from input. That's it. Now next what is user response? What will accepted? Like that. What is the difference, ma? If you want to take input, you use only input only. Input is automatically take what type? String type. That is a basic thing, right? We learn. That is a basic thing we learn. That is a basic we learn. Input of enter a number. Enter a number. That is called 10. What is the type? String type. See quotes. Whatever you take from input, that is which type? String type. That's why we are applying conversion, no? That's why we are applying int conversion, float conversion. Again, we know that int for float conversion will fail. That's why we go for what? Eval. That's why we go for eval. Step by step process. See how beautiful this is. Some people has written normal thing. I explain time dot sleep, and you come up with input only. Like this. Three ways we can write the story, right? There is no import time. Where is the import time? You mistake. You need to do this. See. This you did not done. Ma. Import time. Okay, now import time. Import time you do, it will come. Now you can close these responses also. Again, one more thing, responses. Actually, this is not required at all. Directly you can write input of also is fine. Input also is fine. 100. Then not accepted. Then what will accepted? Then like that. Everything will come. Again, one more input. Only Indian to manager response. Manager response. And again, one more input. Now here you can ask, how much is the dollar conversion? Eval of input of dollar conversion. Like the story you can create like anyway now. If you clear your concepts, then that's the conversion rate CR. And again, total amount, total pay, bill into CR, then print off. Again, the total amount is that is equal total, and finally input of or print thank you, we can say that. So it is 100. Then what is the manager response? You are the manager, not accepted. User response, what will accepted? What is the manager response? INR only. Then dollar conversion, 80 rupees, 8,000. Like that also you can take from input. Or you can use print. Okay, if you want to delay happen, then time dot sleep. Yeah, note on all the methods. Note on all the methods now. So like that way, you can create your own story. The only thing is you need to avoid the error, name error, attribute error, syntax error, the errors you need to avoid. So that's why this class is dedicated to only to avoid the errors. To avoid the error. Yeah, note down this. We'll do one more question. We'll create one more story. We'll create one more story, father and son story we'll create. Father and son. So there is a, now son is wanted to join in the data science in BTech, and it is a no, he didn't get the MSET rank, he didn't get the JE rank, he wants to do the payment seat. The payment seat is for one semester is 2 lakh per rupees. Okay, create the story that. Okay, and not you need to, wherever you want to enter from the user, wherever you want to do the print statements, that is your analysis now. Let's figure it out. I'm writing. Okay, the story is the story between father and son or father and daughter. Okay, and the son wants to study. That story begins like this. Okay, father is asking which course you want to do, wants to do. So the son or daughter is saying, she's saying that I want to pursue data science course. Then father is saying, oh, that is very great. That is very nice. Very nice. In future, we'll create emojis also. Not now, emojis also will come. Okay, when you learn NLP, emojis also will come. Then again, father is asking you, may I know your MSET rank or JE rank? May I know your JE rank? And the son is saying that it is 2 lakh. Okay, 2 lakh. Okay, how much is the rank? 2 lakh is the rank. Then what is the father reaction? Give my belt. Give my belt. Then how can you pursue? How can you pursue? Then son is saying that payment seat. And father is saying that which college is offering? Which college is offering? Which college is offering? And the son is saying that Naresh IT is offering. Okay. So Naresh IT you need to take from user input. 2 lakh you take it from user input. Okay. So wherever you want to take user input, that you need to create. Wherever you want to take the print statement, that you need to write. So that your story now. Okay. Now father is saying that how much is the fee? How much is the fee. And that son is saying that it is like 20,000 rupees per semester. And then how many semesters you want to study? How many sems? How many semesters? And son will say that 4 semesters. And this is also from user input only. So what is the total amount? Then Far is asking, then how much is the total? How much total cost? And finally, you will dictate that for 4 semesters, you need to calculate it that 4 into 20,000 rupees, right? That is the end of the story. That's the end of the story. Get out of my house. Yes. So how many fathers beat them you're in bell treatment? Have you experienced that bell treatment? No. I also experienced bell treatment. Bell treatment is nice. 20,000. So wherever you want to write the story, if you want to input, if you want to print statement, if you want to time dot slip, that is your wish. But create a nice story. Create a nice story. Then this is the input. You can take from input. User input. And Naresh IT also user input you can take. User input. And this is also user input. User input. And is saying that user input. And this is a calculation. This is a calculation. Create the story and show me. And please submit your assignment by tomorrow. And tomorrow is a new topic. Okay, conditional statements we will do tomorrow. That is, and you take from the management videos. Just go through today. And if you have any doubts, we'll discuss again after the class tomorrow. Okay. Practice as many as questions, so it will avoid your errors. Okay, logics will come slowly. First, to avoid the error is important in the programming language. Avoid the errors. Logics will come slowly. No need to worry about the logics. Once you are done, show me if you want and paste your answers in the chat. Python is easy or not? Python is easy, right? It's not a hard thing. Python is very easy. Only the thing is slowly you listen to me and avoid the errors, and then slowly we will get the logics. Python is easy, ma. So Srishti done. Which code do you want? I want pursue data science course. That is very nice. Manager rank. Then Sun is saying that 20,000. Then how can you pursue payment seat? Which college offers it? Naresh IT. For the fees 2480. Yeah, that's good. But you can articulate more because here some statements are coming, right? Who is saying we are not knowing that? That we can articulate. Very good. And Sabita is done. So she is using time.sleep. Good. So which course you want to do? Data science course. Which who is offering? Naresh IT. 24. Yes. Very good. Great. Great. Data science, nice. Father, yes, very good. Good. Font, sun, format, same cost. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, easy, step by step. So this kind of stories will help you to think like a compiler, step by step process. What is the next line? What is the next line? How computer will think? Like our brain also will then think in the same way. So that's why creating a stories are very, very important. The story wise. Yeah, how many are done? Very good. Naresh IT is not defined. Not defined means Naresh IT is not there. So you are getting Sun. Where is the college name? Which college you are offering? Okay, let's do step by step. Okay. So first one is one thing. Why this is coming first? Okay. J rank is 2 lakh. Suppose 20. Okay. Then which college offering? Where is the which college offering? Here college name is what actually Naresh IT, right? It is a Naresh IT. Naresh IT is what is the string, but you are providing eval. Eval is for only numbers. You need to take only input is enough. Okay. Eval is only for numbers. Remove the eval, it will works. Wherever the numbers is there, then only use eval. Wherever is number is not required, use input. Rank is a number, eval is good. P is a number, eval is good. That's it, like that. Nikita. Post graduation, which course you want to do? Data science. Oh, that's nice then. Can I know JNG rank yours? Then how can you pursue the course? Payment sheet I'm thinking of. Which college? Naresh IT. How much is the fee? 20. And how much the total? Yes. Good, ma. Very good. So everything taking 2 minutes gap. Time dot slip. You can ask if anyone data science friend is there, right? Ask them this syntax. If you want to delay your syntax in 5 seconds, how can you delay? 50% students only will say. If you want, you can check it. You can ask your friend, anyone data science name. Okay. So that only the goal is you need to be competitive with 3 years data science students. For that, programming is very, very important. That's simple programming, right? Everyone able to do these stories? That's it. That's very, very easy, that is. Who said Python is tough? Python is very, very easy. Yeah, more answers. Everyone done here almost, right? Submit the assignment. Okay. Submit the assignment only in PDF format. Submit the assignment only in PDF format. So let me check till now how many are submitted. There are 22 students are submitted. Yeah. Very good. Those who are already sent an invitation, please accept it, ma. Till some students are not accepted. And enroll as soon as possible. Those who are not enrolled yet. So Nagarani is giving punishment to me now. I need to enter everything. Father, daughter story. So what for you asking? What is the first question, father? What is asking, ma? What is the father is asking, Nagarani? You need to give some quotations, no? Give some quotations. Quotes like this. Everything is coming like this. Give some quotes. That's why you're ranking 2 lakhs. Why 2 lakhs? That is. Yeah. So those who are having doubts, you can stay, ma, and others can leave. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Those who are having doubts, you can stay and discuss with me. And those who don't have doubts, you can leave the class. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma. I hope you enjoy the session. Go to here. Acha, why you already signed in, right? Click on this. App is there, I think. App is from App Store. There's a Google Classroom app is there. And from there, what happened? You need to provide this, I think. You require class code. Get a screenshot of this class code. Note down this class code. And when you install in the mobile, right? And it lost this class code. You can do, I think. Can check it. I never check your laptop. Okay. Yeah. You can note down this class code and it will come. Hmm. You completed assignment. Hmm. Tell me which question. Third question. 1 kilogram is equal how many pounds? 2.2 into right. $1 is equal to 80 rupees. $100 is equal to 80. The total and average. Take two numbers. Total average means by 3. And that is just now we have done right. Percentage tip. Total bill. Suppose you went to hotel. Your bill is equal 1,000 rupees. You want to make tip is equal to 10%. 10% and 1,000 means 100 rupees. Total bill is 1,100. Like that. Hmm. Okay. అడిగేసాయి మేడం నేను న్యూగా వచ్చాను ఇట్లా చెప్పేసాయి ఐఎమ్ న్యూ దానికి సపరేట్ పేమెంట్ ఉంటుంది ఒకవేళ ఇప్పటిదాకా మిస్ అయినా ఉంటే ఇస్తారు మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ నుంచి కావాలంటే మాత్రం సపరేట్ పేమెంట్ అవన్నీ ఇక్కడ గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్లో ఉంటాయి డన్ you have any doubts, you can talk to me. Navadip is good, I think. Yeah. What is the problem in the output, ma? How we are writing, that only will come. That is fine, ma. Conversion. It's fine, no problem. No problem now, yeah. Yeah.